Home is not where you are from. It is where you belong. Some of us travel the whole world to find it. Others find it in a person. You two have found home in each other, and I believe you two are ready to walk in this new life together.
Zach, today marks the beginning of our forever, the day when two families become one, and the day that I become your wife. Becoming your wife means so much to me, more than just the ring on my finger, but being the one that you can share your thoughts with, the one that you know will always love you deeply, the one that you can count on to support your dreams, and the one who will be by your side no matter what. I will never stop choosing you today and every day as my husband, best friend, and partner through this crazy life. The fateful journey that brought us to one another was a dream come true, a dream that I didn't even realize I had till we locked eyes over lattes and vasopressors. A quote by Paul Celos states, "So I love you because the entire universe conspired to help me find you." And I think that perfectly explains our story and connection. We met by fate, and I know we were meant for one another. I am infinitely thankful for this worldly life, knowing that I get to spend it with you as your wife, your best friend, and the mama to our babies one day. Your hand fits perfectly in mine, and your heart has become a part of mine. I will be behind you for the good moments, and in front of you for the bad moments. You are my solace when the crazy world defeats me, my safety when I feel fearful, my happiness when I triumph, and my comfort when uneasiness overwhelms me.
A few weeks ago, I asked Zach what he loves so much about Siobhan. He said she makes me laugh, and being able to have fun and play around enriches our relationship. I've learned that she means everything to me. She makes me smile, she comforts me, and she even makes Jersey Shore episodes sound not so quite awful to watch.
Dearest Siobhan, I remember the feeling I had when we first met 3 years ago at Panera Bread. We felt the power of this love between us. This is something that has sustained us, healed us, and grown us even deeper, richer, and stronger. I felt like time stood still. In fact, that there was no time. We knew each other and the love between us before we opened our mouths to speak. Since that moment, I've never gotten tired of looking into your brown eyes because the depth and quality I see is priceless, endless, timeless, and deeply inspiring. You are so graceful, joyful, and gorgeous that it ignites my heart and fires up my well-being. I deeply appreciate the blessing of having you in my life and having this golden opportunity to walk beside you hand in hand today and every single day hereafter.
Love is patient and kind. Love is not jealous or boastful. Love is not arrogant or rude. Love does not insist on its own way. Love does not rejoice in the wrong, but it rejoices in the right. Love bears all things, believes all things, hopes all things, and endures all things. Love never ends.
Siobhan came to my room this morning. She gave me a beautiful card, all nice sayings and that. And she gave me this handkerchief. I'm going to just read what's on it. You look so beautiful, Siobhan. Dad, of all the walks we have taken together, this one is by far my favorite.
Therefore, with the power vested in me by the Lord Jesus Christ in the state of New York, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride. To all the friends and family here today, it is my pleasure to introduce to you for the first time Mr. and Mrs. Zachary David Heekhuis.
Our guests of honor, Mr. and Mrs. Zachary Heekhuis.
Our time has come. Every song has been sung.